kitchen at the park. Dropping in on neighbors is all a part of Jolene's world. Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that big tornado. Get all filled with pride in the double wide. Jolene's Sugarbaker, she's the trailer park queen. Jolene's Sugarbaker, Jolene Sugarbaker, she's the trailer park queen.
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jolene, the Trailer Park Cooking Show, where I show you how to live on a budget and do it the Trailer Park way. Well, actually, welcome to the kitchen now. It's strange days now. I have to sanitize everything now, and there's strange things at the store now. You know, you might go to the store looking for a certain item and you might not find it, and we're having to think of inventive ways of making things, and one of my favorite things is butterscotch, and it's actually kind of difficult to make. You might need a candy thermometer, and that would be hard to find nowadays, but we're going to be making some butterscotch dessert bars that will be perfect to just sit on the couch, because that's all we're doing these days. But we're going to be using a dessert topping. Yes, that's right. Over in the ice cream section, you can find some butterscotch sauce, and we're going to be making a great dessert bar with this. It's super simple. They're so great, and I'm going to show you up next on the Trailer Park Cooking Show with me, Jolene Sugarbaker. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my butterscotch bars is really simple, and today we're going to be mixing it by hand. So I've got my favorite bowl right here, and like I said, today we're going to be using that ice cream topping there. What we're going to be using is brown sugar first, and I've got a half cup of packed brown sugar right on into the bowl, just like that. Now I have a half cup of the butterscotch sundae topping. Now, I found this in the ice cream section, and it's simple to find. I mean, I don't think there'll be a run like toilet paper like in this pandemic on this. I know a lot of people might be eating ice cream up on the couch, but I've got about a half cup of that, and look at that. Best butterscotch that I've had. Well, no, I can make my own, but it takes forever, and I just don't have that time these days. I mean, it's been weeks since I've been sitting on the couch. So that goes right on into the bowl just like that. Such a simple thing that you can add. You know, we can cut corners, and that butterscotch topping just took a lot of time out of there. I've got one egg, and I probably should have whisked it on up, and I just, again, don't have that time these days. It's been like, I don't know, 5 years into 2020. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of vanilla extract right on in there. And you know I don't measure that, and I get this from my childhood pharmacist. He makes it, and I don't know what he puts in there. He's going to have a special permit. Who knows these days with things? It's so crazy. So I'm just going to mix that just a little bit, because I should have mixed that egg. I should have whisked it or something. Oh, it worked out just fine, you know, with that. And I've got a half cup of pecans, I don't know, different places say it different ways. And I saw on the package it said recipe ready, because toasted ones taste best in the recipe. So that is something that you might have to kind of do on your own if you buy the cheaper ones, but these were on sale with a coupon and the card, and they just make it so difficult to get a discount. It's just like, I will stand here in this line and hold it up until I get that last 50 cents off. 1/4 teaspoon of salt right on in there, and 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour right on into the bowl. And I've got a half a stick of butter here, and I've melted that, and that's going to give a nice buttery flavor to it too. And we're going to mix this around, and it's going to make like a batter. And I just love this idea of the ice cream topping. It definitely cuts out some steps that you have to make the actual butterscotch. What kind of change outs are you all doing? Is it something that you're all coming up with that you have to change out? Because you can't. I couldn't find canned corn for a while. I don't know what was up with that. It's just like, who didn't grow the corn this year with that and put it in a can? Wow, that looks very butterscotchy, if you will. And I've got a 9-inch baking pan that I've sprayed out with some butter spray, and I'm just gonna put this out real nicely into this pan, and that almost looks like a peanut brittle, actually, with that, and get every last bit of that. Look at that. And you could probably change out what kind of nuts that you use in this. We use the pecans, or the pecans, if you will. And we're just gonna spread that out. Now, I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Now, these are probably gonna take about, I don't know, about 15 minutes. You're gonna have to keep an eye on it and use a toothpick test to see if everything's gonna be okay when you take them out. So, set your timer. And there you have it, my butterscotch bars. And look at that. They have that signature butterscotch actual color, and we made it with that ice cream topping, and that was so simple. And I know that you can make your own butterscotch up on the stove top, and that takes a lot of time, and we don't have time for that. I don't even know where my candy thermometer is right now, but I can't wait to try this. We use the pecans, or pecans, or wherever you all are from. You can say it wherever you like, but let me see what this tastes like. That, wow, that is like a butterscotch dream. That is on point. That tastes exactly like butterscotch, and it is, it's kind of like a Blondie, like a brownie, and the pecans, those are nice and crunchy, and this needs some ice cream up on top. That would be great too. That was expensive. I saw that the other day. That was like $8, and I'm like, that is frozen milk. How is that $8? Anyway, maybe that can be on the wish list, but these were so simple to make, and I'm gonna have to, that is a double time favorite here with the butterscotch. I had to go back for some more here because this was good. I hope you get a chance to make it, and I hope that I'm gonna finish up and eat all of this. This is, wow, great. And if you make it, send me pictures at jolenesugarbaker@gmail.com. Don't forget to follow me all over the place. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Etsy, trying to get things made here in the trailer park. You can get them handmade by me on my website, trailerparkqueen.com. And I'll be back with some more videos too. So hit that subscribe button, follow me, whatever you need to do. And wow, I can't wait to finish this off here. This is great. I love y'all. I hope y'all are safe, and I'll see you back real soon. Live the trailer park way. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for